Okay, my name is 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪. I live in Clearwater, and I am a realtor, actually, in the surrounding areas, Clearwater and around. What would I say the biggest takeaway from this workshop? Well, there was a lot of good things, but one that I can start right away using is how to test my lines, because I send, emails regularly. And there's a website where you can put the subject line into it, and then it's going to give you the result and some suggestion about that. I like it very much. And, well, I want to learn more about it. If I think other people can benefit about this workshop, and I would say totally, absolutely, and we have to disseminate a little bit more about it, or I will. And I do appreciate you having this workshop here for us. That's great.